This is Dave at SOM Trailer Sales, somtrailers.com. I've got a 2020 4-star, 5-horse, 18-foot short wall with a Trail Boss conversion here on consignment. We're going to do a little walk around and show this thing off so you guys can take a look. For reference, this is going to be stock number 8628. It's got your closed roll-up door there. Looks real slick. Covers your LP bottles, batteries, hydraulic equipment, stuff like that. This silver skin on it looks really nice. Pretty slick. A little bit different than what you see with most trailers. It's got the larger 10-gallon hot water heater on it. There's your fresh and city water connection. It's a 50-amp service trailer with 2 air conditioners and a 7,000-watt gas generator. Let's look at the drop on a 4-star trailer. Nice, thick, heavy bars on the face cages. This trailer's got tandem 10K axles with 17.5-inch Alcoas with Michelin tires. Integrated hay pod. Take a look in the manger here. It's got some hooks. It's got a pull-out ladder on it. Full-width rear ramp. It's got a collapsible rear tack, so you can get you know, some utility bikes or a four-wheeler in the back there, golf cart, whatever you want to haul. They got a WERM floor added in this trailer. Everything's all lined and insulated. Flow-through gates on the dividers. Stud wall up here. Before the pod started to integrate, they were able to fit 3 vents up there, which is kind of nice. You got your walk-through door and escape door. It's even got an exterior shower back here for some water to rinse stuff off. Still need to give this thing a wash. It's been cold, but it's going to clean up really nice. He really hasn't used this trailer very much. Drops on the rump side. 21-foot power awning. We'll take a look inside. They got the front entertainment center layout in this with the Jack and Jill entries. Real nice to get up and out of bed for mom and dad. Cabinets and TVs. Looks like they got the prep for a DVD player and a satellite dish up there. All your switches and controls are here for the hydraulic slide room, your monitor panel. Generator's got 198 hours on it. Hat racks, sliding screen door. This trailer's got 2 sofas in it. Genuine leather on the yokes there. They both fall down, make beds. This trailer also has a fold-down bunk in it. You can actually use this as cabinet storage if you want to pull the board and the mattress out. You've actually got functional doors on that bunk there. Got slide-out pantries. But the bottom one's a slide-out. That's just shelving there. It's got the larger 8.0 fridge in it. They got the undermount lights under the countertop there. Recessed cooktop, copper sinks, convection oven. The leather on the toilet seat there. Nice wide vanity. The sink in it. Got your walk-through door. It's got the drawer bank in the closet with another hanging rod down here. This trailer's got the central vac in it as well as some of the attachments there. They added lights on the cabinet door so the cabinets light up when you pull it out. It's got a 34-inch, which is a little bit bigger shower stall in this trailer than the standards. 32-inch showers are in most trailers. Look at your shelving in the medicine cabinet. Oh, there's a lot of storage in this cabinet there, behind the sofa. I said 2 AC units in this trailer. Thanks for having a look.